Hi there, I'm Beth, and today I wanted to get stuck into sewing one of these sewing patterns that Marna from the Dolls Rescue channel kindly sent me. She also sent this bright yellow Ripstop fabric which I want to make a raincoat out of. I'll start by making a test one in this red Ripstop fabric first. I don't know how it will fit on Blythe as it looks like it's aimed at Barbie dolls, so I might have to make alterations before sewing the yellow one. I've chosen outfit D, which is actually pyjamas in a row, but if I omit the lace trim then it'll make a nice raincoat. I get started with the delicate process of cutting out the tissue pattern pieces. I separate the templates I need and check the instructions. I'm tracing round the pieces with an erasable pen. Let's start by joining the centre back seam. I opened out the seam allowance and top stitched both sides. Next I'll sew the shoulder seams. I top stitched them too, and next we'll gather the sleeves and insert them. Here the cuffs are folded and top stitched, and I can now close up the side seams. It's looking pretty good so far, and it's time to assemble the hood. Here I'll join the centre back, then fold and stitch the front edge. Here that's done, and I've gathered up the neck of the hood ready to attach to the coat. I'll show the steps here, and I've just now realised that I missed out a little curved piece that should have attached to the ends of the facing pieces. Whoops! Oh well, it all worked out okay. I got the hood basted on and the facing piece sewn on top of it so that it all turns out looking neat on the inside of the coat. I've tucked and sewn the bottom front corners of the hem, so all that remains is to top stitch all round the openings and lower hem and add a fastening. Here's my Made to Move Barbie trying on the raincoat first. I was really surprised to see that it's much too short in the arms for her. The hood looks good though, and I like the length on her too. I brought in my newest fake cheapy Blythe on the Licca body next, and the sleeves look almost perfect for her. The hood obviously won't cover her head, but it still looks good, and the hem sits around her knees. Next up is my daughter's Blythe on the A-zone body. Her arms are a little longer, so they are spot on. As before, the rest of the coat fits really well. I have another new addition to introduce today as well. This is the Japanese Licca-chan doll. I actually just bought the head and put her on a floating body. She's super cute and she can use the hood too. Well, since I didn't need to make any alterations to fit Blythe, I went and made my yellow raincoat. I added straps round the wrists with buttons, a waist tie and snap fastening, 2 patch pockets, and I slipped on a buckle for a neater waistband. Now I can finally make use of my beautiful umbrella. What a shame it isn't raining now. Well, they have their boots on anyway, and not one but 2 feline friends to keep them company. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll just have to wait for more rain for some pictures. See you next time. Bye!